everyone!
Welcome back to another video. I am Chef Jessica and this is my little sister Chef Juliebeth.
Hi everyone, I'm Chef Juliebeth and today we're making un Carlota de Limón.
This recipe is similar to a box cake, which is a cake of layers of cookies and fruits. This recipe is really special to me because my grandmother taught me how to make it when I was 10 years old. We tend to make this every summer she comes over, and we like to do it mostly on festive days. Do you remember how we would do that?
Yeah, she would come over and me and you and her would make it all the time.
Exactly. So we would usually just make it during like the Christmas season or Thanksgiving season. But before we get into the video, we need to know what are loops.
What are loops?
Well, loops is a code name of a process you will be repeating over and over again. An example of loops would be when I would be pouring the mixture on the cookies and into the layers. That would be an example of loops.
Now let's get into blending.
The ingredients you will need is lime juice from 5 lemons, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of sliced peaches, and 2 packets of galletas de Maria. In the blender, you will now add your condensed milk and your evaporated milk. After adding your milks in, add your lime juice. You will now blend all your ingredients together and set aside. Now with a coated cake mold or glass pan is good as well, you will first add a thin layer with your mixture you made earlier and layer the cookies on top of the mixture. Now after you have done your first layer of cookies, you will now add more mixture on top. You will repeat this process over and over until you run out of the cookies. Now you will pop your Carlota into the fridge for 2 hours to solidify.
After letting the Carlota solidify in the refrigerator for 2 hours, we took it out and we topped it off with some peaches. And this is our final product. And today we learned what are loops and how to use them and how to make a Carlota de Limón. See everybody next video.
Bye.